Now, answering questions confidently, very important in all sorts of situations. And I suppose there are two things, one of which there's actually almost like a rule book, a toolkit. That's one of the things we always share with our clients and practice them on those. And the second thing is practicing. Because again, I often use a tennis analogy. The more you practice, the better you get, no matter how good you are. So practice, 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 learn the techniques, and together you'll be much more confident when answering questions.
Answering questions confidently in a public forum or in front of a journalist, it can be a little daunting. And I think, again, what you need to do beforehand is to get a piece of A4 and list all the questions that you're likely to be asked. Now, I can't rule out the possibility that you might get some completely weird question that you couldn't possibly have anticipated, but you know more about your subject than anyone else, and you need to prepare the answers in advance. And if you do get a difficult question, you need to pull back to your core message. I know that sounds a bit like a politician, but it does actually work where you're in a difficult situation.
To answer questions confidently, you need to know what it is that you're burning to communicate. So you're not just responding to the question and, in a very polite way, just answering exactly what the question is. You're using every question to say, by the way, I want to say this as well. So there's some wonderful phrases that we often coach people to use. The really important thing here is ... or what you've got to remember is ... These kinds of bridging phrases that allow you to do more than just answer a question or acknowledge a question. They allow you to move on and say what you really want to say.